Welcome to DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. My name's Greg. As you know from my last video, we are going full-time in our RV. We've sold the house. We signed papers in a little over 2 weeks, or actually, yeah, 2 weeks to today. And we are working on doing some basically estate sales, selling everything off in the house. This is the room that I'm working on today, trying to get some stuff set up for it. But if you look into the kitchen, you can see we're scattering stuff, getting stuff placed out so we can sell it. We've got some stuff in here. Almost every room is going to be open for stuff to be sold. Back on the porch outside, I got most of the contents outside. I've got basically most of the contents of my garage, so all that's for sale too. And just so you know, I am trying to do what I can on videos when I can. I'm working on a video right now, tonneau cover I just installed. It's the Tiger that I picked up off of Amazon. Do an install video and then we'll take a look at it over time, see how it is. I'm going to do a review of this ladder I picked up off of Amazon. The ladder I got currently at the house I can't take, so that's the next best thing, I think. And right over here we've got a crimper from iWis. It's for heat shrink connectors that we're going to be taking a look at. When you pick up the crimper, it does come with a kit of connectors with shrink tube on them, so we're going to take a look at those and see how those do. Then we also have a Dutchet DT connector from iWis. This is a set that we're going to be taking a look at. Let me open it up a little bit. Oh, it's still got some tape on. There we go. How to do it one-handed. So we're going to be taking a look at this kit. There for some nice watertight seals connections. So they sent that out for us to take a look at. Then I've also got to install a bumper hitch on our trailer. We're going to be getting a bumper rack so that we can carry some extra stuff on the back. And since we're doing that, we've also got the safety struts. Now this is the original manufacturer safety strut that we're going to be installing. And didn't notice there was some water damage on the box when we got it, but everything looks to be intact. Everything's there. It's all sealed up still, so it even comes with drill bits, excuse me. Now, one of the final things I got currently right now on hand that I'm going to be taking a look at in the near future and installing is this safe step from Torque Lift that we're going to be putting on our Torque Lift Glow Step Revolution steps. That way our dog will be a little more confident in walking up and down the steps. So we're going to be putting those on and trying that out. We'll be bringing that to you too. Anyways, you see the sweat beading off my head. It's still early morning, man. This heat wave's been just kicking our butt. We've got a lot of humidity, that storm that come through. Oh boy, that was a pretty good one. Anyways, there goes a city loader that was doing some repairs to a part of a sidewalk that got washed away. So anyways, I just thought I'd give you a little update what's going on. I tell you, I do have stuff coming. I got videos planned. It's just I'm working hard. It's just that I'm trying to get everything done on the garage sale, get it going, at least get this first one kicked off, and then I could probably get a couple other videos done after that. And we've still got some other things we need to do inside the trailer too. So also got a little fan that we picked up that you can use off of USB. It's like a ceiling fan, so that's one of the other things I got to look at too. So anyways, I hope you like this rambling video update what's going on. Also, I got a vlog channel that we are going to be doing some more vlogging on. I haven't been able to do as much as I want to yet, but I am doing some updates to let you know what's going on over there. So Anyways, if you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And until the next one, happy camping.